already in the middle of the week here for dealing with Unit 3, the vowel consonant E pattern. Remember the 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. The rest are consonants. I'll review for the rest from the earlier in the week. Hey, this is sometimes we call it the silent E, the final E. Sometimes a lot of people like to call it the bossy E. And that's for a good reason, because if the bossy E comes at the end, it makes the other vowel change its sound. Here's what I mean, kind of what we've been talking about all day. Again, if you pretend, where's my mouse cursor? There it is. If you pretend that this E wasn't even here, you'd have hop. But when this bossy final E comes along, it changed this from a short O to a long O, and so now you have the word hope. We use this word a lot, cub to cube. How about hug, right? If there's no final E, just a hug. Not just a hug, but you put the final bossy E at the end. You change this short U to a long U, and it's huge there, right? So same exact stuff we've been dealing with all week. Hey, this is an exercise right here that I think can help you out. This is called the crossword puzzle. Some people love them, some people don't. Let me show you how it's done, because what I kind of like about these is if you do it right, it kind of helps you with future answers. Let me explain here. First of all, you take a look at here, and it gives you the first couple of letters or first letter in the word. And what I like about the box is because it also tells you how many letters the word has. So if you're looking here, okay, it starts with SM. I know this is a number 1, but you can kind of start with any one in a crossword puzzle. So SM, and it has 5 letters. So if I look up here, the only word that starts with SM and has 5 letters is smoke, right? So let's write that in here. And what I meant by it helps you with future ones, if you can notice the 4 down one, I'm already kind of getting some other answers in here. So there's smoke. I'm just going to cross it out so I know that I'm done with it. But let's look at this 4 down. See, now I know it's a 4-letter word, 4 boxes, and it starts with C and O. Well, that has to be this elephant word right here, right? Come, right? So I do that. And here again, it helps you with knowing the last letter. For this one, the 6 across, it starts with an S, ends with an E, 4 letters long. Oh, that must be say. So that's how I think it can help you. That's why I like crossword puzzles. If you do it right, you kind of get more and more answers as you go along. But anyway, that's how you do that there. And then now color the word in the puzzle that does not have a long vowel sound. That's the elephant word. Just color in that word. You can color that in on your paper packet with any kind of color you want. And now down here it says change the meaning of each sentence. Write the basic word that means the opposite of each underlined word. Opposite word is a big fancy pants word. It's called an antonym. It's the opposite, right? Opposite of tall is short. Opposite of big is small. Opposite of hot is cold. That's what opposite words or antonyms are. So that's what you're doing. It says it took 5 people to move that tiny piano. This word is underlined, and what word means the opposite of tiny? Well, there you go. It's number 2. It's huge, right? It took 5 people to move the huge piano. So, take me another hour to write this in with my mouse pad, but we're getting there. There it is. So this is your assignment here, guys. I do want to wish you Lord's blessings today. If you need some assistance, call me, let me know. I'd gladly help you through it.